This is the first screen which you will be seeing after creating your new Android project. Here we have the resource folder, contains the layout folder. This layout folder contains the XML file which governs the view of your Android application. And at the bottom we can see that two tabs are present over here, which gives us the graphical view and the code view of our XML file. In the XML file, the first line, we can see that we are having relative layout. Relative layout is like a container which contains the views of our XML file. For an instance, we are having only a text view in this relative layout. This relative layout, as you can see, starts from here and it ends over here. Next two lines, we are having a reference to our Android API, and then we can see that we are having the width element which defines the width of our relative layout. It is having the value match parent. That means it is having the same width as of its parent layout. And in the height section, we are can see that we are having the same value match parent. The alternative values could be here fill parent or the wrap content. Next, these lines could be ignored for our beginner session. I will be talking more about this in our next tutorials. Now in the text view, we can see that its width is defined as wrap contents. As you can see in our graphical section, that its width is only this much, which contains only the text view element. But if we change it to say match parent, then we can see that in graphical section that its width is now in the whole of its relative layout. It covers the whole screen, and its height is only this much, that it wraps the content. As we can see here in height section that its value is wrap content. And then we can see for the text that it's having at the rate. This at the rate is like a reference. For now we can see that in the values folder we have a string.xml file which contains our hello world reference, and its value is hello world. We can add our new reference by clicking on add and then string, then our new reference, like we can say refer, and its value my new reference. Now this value could be used in our XML file. Here we can write refer in the place of hello world, and in the graphical section we can see that its value is now changed to my new reference. Alternatively, we can use direct input like hello reference or something like that, and its content will be shown here. The importance of using a reference is that we can use the same reference in the multiple text view, and if you want to change something in a reference, then we change only the contents at one place, that is in the reference, and its value will be reflected back in all the 10 text views in which we are using the reference. In the XML we will be talking more in the next tutorials. Thank you.